Hello everyone. In this episode, we'll discuss how to append a row in existing table in Power BI using a DAX. Now let me switch to the computer for the demo. Now let me show you the data table first. So I will show you the data table and here is the data table and you can see the product name and product ID and color. And I want to add a one row here. So without modifying the existing data source. So I will append a one single row here. So now I will go back to the report page. First, what I'm going to do, I will bring all those record from the existing table. So I'll go to the model view and in the model view, I will add a new table and in new table, I'll say final product list and I will come down and here I will use a summarize column function and product product ID comma next line I will use a product table and product name comma I'll come down and again I will say product table and product color. So we have a three columns in existing table. So I'll bring all three columns and the record here first. So now let me go to the data view. So I'll show you. So this is the product final list. So you can see the product ID, product name and color. Now I want to append a new row. So again, I'll open this and first I will wrap this from union DAX function. So I'll come down and here I'll use a union function and here I'll put a comma and after that I will come down here and I will add a row. So now I'll say row name. So I'll say product ID, comma, ID will be 5. We have a 4 record here, comma. I'll come down and I will use a product name, product name, comma. I'll say half face helmet. Okay, this is the product name. Now I'll come down and here I'll say color, comma, I'll say black, comma. I'll close the bracket for row. Now I'll close the bracket for union. So basically what I'm going to do here, the first I'm bringing all the records from the existing table, from the product table, and after that I'm adding a row. So first column is a product ID. So product ID is a 5. The product name is half face helmet and the color is black. And after that, both this summarize the existing table data and this row I am just wrapping with the union. So union will combine this and this, the summarize column and the row. Now I'll accept this. And now here you can see that, let me minimize this. Here you can see that the product ID 5 and half face helmet and color is black. So spelling is slightly wrong. So let me correct the spelling. Black. So now you can see here black. So there is some scenario where if you want to append some row in the existing table and without modifying original data source, so you can do that way. That's all for this video, and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.